Hey guys, let's go over where your screenshots are saved on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, iMac, whatever you've got. If you've taken a screenshot but can't seem to find it, I'll show you exactly where it is saved and how to change that location. But first, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks. Alright, let's start with how to take a quick screenshot. The easiest way is by pressing Shift Command 3 or Command Shift 3. So if you press on that, as you can see, it saves it to my MacBook. So you'll see the screenshot pop up on the bottom right corner of the screen, or wherever it is located. You can tap on it to open it up, and at the top right, you'll have options like trash can, edit, share, stuff like that. Once you hit done, it will automatically save to your desktop. Now, what do you do if you don't see it on your desktop? That means your Mac is saving screenshots somewhere else. And here's how to check and change that. So press on Command Shift 5. At the very bottom center, you'll see a button called Options. Click on that, and under Save To, you're going to see a bunch of options like Clipboard, Mail, Messages. So if your screenshots are being saved to any other of these, switch them to Desktop, and this will save it automatically to your desktop. Now, if you don't want it on your desktop, you can save it to other locations like Mail, Documents, Downloads, or if you have a different location, click on Other Location, and you can save it somewhere else. Once you click Set, your Mac will remember the location for every screenshot going forward, unless you change it again later. Hope this helps. If it did, make sure to hit that like button, and if you have any questions at all, drop them in the comments. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.